Let's learn some everyday shopping phrases. Number 1, window shopping. It means looking at things in stores without buying anything. Example, I was just window shopping, not buying anything. Number 2, on sale. We use it when something has a discount or lower price. Example, these shoes are on sale, 50% off. Number 3, good deal or great bargain. It means you got something for a very good price. Example, I got this jacket for $20. What a good deal. Number 4, rip off. That's when something is way too expensive and not worth it. Example, $10 for water? That's a rip off. Number 5, try on. We use it when trying clothes before buying. Example, can I try this on? Number 6, fit or doesn't fit. It's used when something is the right size or not. Example, the jeans don't fit me. Number 7, out of stock. It means the item is sold out or unavailable. Example, sorry, that item is out of stock. Number 8, how much does it cost? A simple way to ask about price. Example, how much does this bag cost? Number 9, I'm just looking, thanks. A polite way to tell the shop assistant you don't need help yet. Example, I'm just looking, thanks. Number 10, refund or exchange. We use it when we return or swap an item. Example, can I get a refund or exchange it? That's it for today. Shopping English is full of fun and useful expressions. Now it's your turn to try them in real life. Keep learning with English Fix Up.